Hi everyone, welcome back to Ristech, your go-to show for the latest in technology and privacy and innovation. I'm Ray, and today we're talking about something that affects all of us every time we go online: privacy policies. Specifically, we're looking at how two of the biggest social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram, handle personal data. To start, let's break it down. What exactly does a privacy policy cover?
Great intro, Ray. Privacy policies are documents that explain how a website or app collects, uses, and shares your personal information. For example, Facebook and Instagram, both owned by Meta, detail what kind of data they collect, such as your location, contact, and browsing activity, and how that data is used to improve your experience or serve target ads.
That's a good overview, Mark. So, let's dive into Facebook first. How does it handle users' ability to change their account settings and preferences for sharing information?
Facebook gives users a lot of options to control their privacy settings. For example, you can decide who sees your posts, whether it's the public, just friends, or a custom group. There's also a privacy checkup tool that walks through key privacy settings like managing who can send friend requests, tagging settings, and even ad preferences.
That's great! It's nice when platforms provide tools to make managing privacy straightforward. But what about Instagram? How does it handle data sharing with third parties?
Instagram, like Facebook, is transparent about its data sharing practices. It allows users to control what information is shared with third-party apps through the Apps and Websites section. Additionally, Instagram emphasized that while it may share anonymized data with advertisers, it does not sell your personal information like your name or email address. It also provides tools to manage ad preference based on your activity.
That's responsible. Now, here's the big questions. What happens if there's a security breach? How do these platforms notify users?
Good question, Ray. Facebook and Instagram both follow a protocol to notify users in the event of breach. For instance, when Facebook faced its 2019 security breach, which exposed millions of users' data, they sent direct notification to affected accounts and explain what data was compromised. Instagram follows a similar approach and ensures users are informed quickly if their account security is at risk.
It's good to know they have plans in place for these situations. So, let's put this in perspective. How do their privacy policies compare to each other?
Since both platforms are owned by Facebook or Meta, their privacy policies are similar. But there are some differences. For example, Instagram is more image focused. So its policies and guidelines include around photo, metadata, and sharing. Facebook, on the other hand, is being more feature diverse, has a broader scope of data collection, and like marketplace activity and groups. But overall, both prioritize transparency and user control.
That's an interesting point. Simplicity and transparency are key to building user trust. To wrap this up, what's one takeaway for our listeners about privacy policies?
I'd say take this time to explore the privacy settings on any platform you use, both Facebook and Instagram. Make it easy to adjust your settings, but it's up to you. It's up to us to use those tools and stay informed about how our data is handled.
Couldn't agree more, Denzel. Privacy is not just the platform's responsibility. It's also ours to stay informed and proactive. That's it for today's episode of Ristech. Remember, your data is valuable, so let's work together to keep it safe. See you next time.